This is kind of like an all-in-one type of device. Very handy to have. It's got a jump starter, it's got a power bank, it's a air compressor, and it's got a light on it. You can kind of see all the different types of modes right here. You know what they actually did? They built in some cables on this thing. That's all you get. Look at this nice carrying case right here, a zippered little carrying case. Let me show you some of the things you get with it. You get a little set of instructions. There's your air nozzle, a USB-C to C cable, and then here's your jumper cables. So you get these little jumper cables right here, and then you get a little spare set of air nozzle. This would go like for a basketball needle, a Presto valve, like a pull ring or something like that. I don't usually use those that much, so peel that off. So the unit itself right here, you can see, actually it's already got a little bit of charge, just getting some charge. I don't get a lot of sun out here, but it's got a solar panel built into it. That solar panel is not going to charge it completely. What it does, it just keeps the battery alive long enough. So let's just take a look over the unit right here. Check out the back of it here. We got a little set of cables that they built in there. How cool is this? It's a USB-A. You plug it in and it gives you a mini USB, a USB-C, and an actual lightning port. We will put that to the test right here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. To turn it on, you just hold down the power button right here. When you turn it on, not the brightest of displays. I don't see how I can brighten that display up. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera here, but it's got the PSI rating on it right now. But what I'm gonna do, let's test out the charger feature of this thing. So plug that in, and then let's grab my iPhone right here. Yep, as soon as I plugged it in, it started charging the iPhone right away. Let's charge some little camera batteries. See if we can pull some power out of those. Wow, it's charging on both. So it's charging an iPhone and that at the same time. I really like an item that has kind of all these dual purposes built in. I don't really have anything USB-C, USB mini, so I ain't really worried about that. How cool is that? You get a whole charge cable set. So if you don't have any cables, there you go. And then to charge this thing, you're gonna plug it in right there, and there's your charging in and out right there. Let's go ahead, let's test out the actual inflation feature of this thing. Let's take it over to the van and let's plug in the inflation and see how the air compressor works. Then I don't currently have a dead battery, but I'll plug it in and see what it does. So let's do that now. Man, if I had one complaint, it's a very dim display. I don't think there's a way of lightening this display up. You get a battery indicator on there. The PSI is right there. Let's go ahead and let's see what my tire is at. It's already got me at 38. We'll go ahead and put it up to 40 at 40. Yeah, that doesn't, I don't see any issues with that at all. It's got me at 36. Going up, my tire's at 36 right now. And I think I can go all the way up to 40 on them right here. Yeah, this thing works great as just an air compressor. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. It's at 38. It's already went up 2 PSI that fast, which is pretty good. Like I said, well, that worked out just fine. I don't see any issues with using it as an air compressor. Let's hook up the actual car jumper and see how it works as a car jumper. It looks like all you're gonna do is plug it in right here like that. And as soon as you plug it in, you get these lights flashing right there. So let's take it over here, test it out as an actual jumper box. As soon as you plug it in, you see how the lights come on right there. Put one over there. Now my battery is not dead. We can at least give it a shot and see. So turn it on right there. As soon as you turn it on, I don't know how well you can see it in the camera there, but I got a green light and it clicked. That means it's ready, everybody. Let's go ahead and start it up and see what it does. See if it starts up a little faster. Well, that had a good clean start to it. That had a good quick start to it, so it sounded like it gave it a lot more power. Then you just remove it when you get it started up. If you want to turn the little LED light on, hold that down for a few seconds, and I think the light will come on the back. I don't know how well you can see it right there. Hit it once, hit it twice, and it does that flashing. Then an SOS. It's got 3 modes on it. It's this button right here to go through the different air compressor modes but to hook the jumper box up, you just stick it in and it's ready to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the JIYHF jumper box, air compressor, power bank, solar panel built in. See you on the next video.